Hello builders. So this is our demo video for Nibiru Hackathon and we are the team NibiDEX. We have built a Uniswap V2 inspired AMM that allows you to trade any coin permissionlessly on the pools created. Anyone can create pools as well. So let me go over the contracts briefly. So the major part of the project involves having a pair code, factory, router, and we have deployed two CW20 tokens, which is the counterpart for ERC20s on Cosmosm/Nibiru. So pair is the contract that is the pool itself and acts as the LP token that the user get for adding liquidity. Factory is the contract that manages the pools being created and deployed. Router handles redirection and storing the factory address. So these are the addresses that have been deployed. Okay, so the architecture is that you have to separate out the contracts and packages because there is conflicts between the different messages uh, of different contracts. So we have kept the packages separately and the contracts here. So let me go over some of the major functions that the factory holds. So one of the main function is create new pair, which allows you to create new pools on the in the AMM, and then that pool info is being stored in the factory and it's being assigned, and it acts as an LP token as well. It instantiates the pair here and adds a submessage and checks if it was properly deployed or not. There are some queries where you can query which is the LP token or which is the pair that holds the liquidity or the market for two different tokens, which we call as assets or slash tokens. And then for say pair host functions like swap asset, which allows you to swap, add liquidity, remove liquidity, and the other standard functions that CW20 has, because the pair acts as CW20 as well. Similarly, to go router, mostly it is handling the different addresses and redirection to the factory. The messages are being hosted in the packages folder. One can call and check what is the different functions they can call in the messages. We have used a shell file to do all the interactions and deployment. This is the function that helps me automate the addresses that I have on my local setup, so that I can just give the choice that I want to use the current use. So gives a choice to use which account I want to use for the next transaction. And also this will go through different procedures like compiling, optimizing, checking the contract and wasm file, and so all of that is automated and I can just focus on what I need to do actually. We hope to continue developing this we plan to continue developing this project further and develop soon a front end for this as well. It was exciting to build this. Thank you.